Sorry, you opened up my heart. Sorry. Show me all the love and walk right through. Suddenly my love on you. I was lost in the lonely place. Could hardly believe that, yeah, holding on to yesterday. Thank you for joining. Hi, good evening. Good evening here in the Bicol Cabins, Philippines. Bicol Cabins, Philippines. Cha! Look my boo-boo from his scooter, my God. Reaching for my heart. I believe that you can now. It's time for real. I need my love in you. It's all I wanna do. Every time I feel it, feeling peace. You opened up my heart. Show me all your love and walk right through. And this I leave my love on you. Where? Where? Thank you so much. Where? Why no one? Luhay, luhay man. God na ba yan? Thank you, 1 million. Where are you? Where are you from? 1 million in the house. You're the only one. Thank you so much for the likes. Thank you. Five people in the house. Hallelujah. Thank you for 2 people in the house. Thank you so much. Hi, John Picard, beautiful Maryland, USA here. Hi from Maryland. John Picardo, John Picard from Maryland, Baltimore, Maryland, USA. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much for joining. Sir John, what? Marcelo, hello, Marcelo from Brazil. Marcelo from Brazil.
Hindi nung tangan ng sigarilyo ko.
Ayun. Pati sigarilyo.
Magpapunay.
Thank you so much. Ay,
Nasa bulsa ko.
ay lagi.
Naka.
Thank you. 6 people in the house. Hi, Annalise. Hello, Annalise. Edward Tani. Hi, Edward Tani. Thank you so much for joining. You're so pretty. Thank you, Annalise. Hi, Annalise Anna. Annalise Anna. Thank you so much. What are you doing now? I'm sitting down here and I'm going live talking to you guys, something like that. Going live here. Ganon. for the 3 million in the house. Thank you so much for the 5 people. Hit the likes. Edward. Yes. Hi Justin, goodness. Justin, where are you from? Thank you for likes. You're so beautiful. Thank you, Justin. Where are you from? Where are you from, Justin? Florida, USA? Florida, USA. Thank you for joining from Florida. Yes, US. Ah, okay. Thank you sa nag-likes. Thank you for the likes, everyone. Thank you so much. Hey, thank you, three people in the house. Thank you so much. I found the love for me. Starting to start fading. Follow my life from joy. Thank you for thank you so likes. Hi Fantasma Camarado. Hi Fantasma. From Brazil. From Brazil. Found a love for me. Falling to start waiting. Thank you, 5 people. Hi, where are you from? My name is Leo. Hi, Leo. Thank you, 7 people in the house. Iran. I'm from Iran. Javad from Iran. Hi, from Iran. Thank you for likes. Thank you sa likes, sa nagla-likes. Thank you so much. Bye, Fallen Mate. Hey, Fallen Mate. Have a nice day.
Pugi ko ha. Nakaka-verify kami. Nakaka-verify kami.
Fantasma. Oh my god. No English. Why no English? Why no English? Hello Harold. Hi Harold. Farshan. 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 As it well. Where are you from, Harold? Where are you from, Harold? Thank you sa nag-likes. Thank you so much for the like. Love, love, love. Now, where are you from, Harold? I am two. What do you mean, Javad? Javad. Oh my god! Oh my gulay. Thank you, one people in the house, two people in the house. Thank you so much. A party outside the home. Why? Not here. Are you a gay? Maybe you are. Yes, I'm a gay. Do you have a problem with a gay? So scroll down the channel, scroll on this live and go someone doing live. No need to go here. Okay, and that's fine. And I thank you so much for joining. Hi, English 4. I'm not English. I'm just speak English because you need to understand what I'm saying. I'm from Philippines, Bicolana. I'm not Bisaya. Bicolana. Okay, thank you. I'm from Philippines. How about you? I'm from Philippines. I'm not speak Bisaya. Are you Bisaya? I'm not Bisaya. I'm not Bisaya. Please. We are Philippines. Okay, Tagalog ka. So, speak Tagalog. Speak Tagalog, not Bisaya. Thank you for people in the house. Hi Jess, thank you for joining. Hi, thank you so much. How are you? Thank you, Jess. May ano kasi dito. May reunion, family reunion. Look. Something like that. Hello, this is Monterrey, Mexico. Killing the Ares, Bisudi, Don the Ares. Hi, Israel Ibarra. What? What to say? Don't see what. Ate, what up? What up ka dyan? Hello, music, mic here. Hello. Thank you, Jess. Thank you so much. What that song? A Bicol song. Bicol song. That song is a Bicol. Pantomina. Traditional, is someone wedding here. Wedding song. They dance like that. It's not Betty's. It's not Beatles song. No, not Beatles. Bicol song. Bicol. Oh, a wedding song. Yes. Wedding dance song. Something like that. They dance the wedding song. After the wedding, they dance with that. Something like that. Something like that, yes. Something like that. Yeah, yes, something like that, yes. You're doing live stream at a wedding, why? No, there's not the wedding. That's not a wedding. That's what you call this? A reunion, family reunion. Family reunion. Kumusta Kuya Dre Vlogs? Hi Kuya Dre! Long time no hear Kuya! Kuya Dre, long time no hear. What happened to you? What happened to you, Kuya? Kuya Dre, what happened to you, huh? What happened to you, Kuya? Okay, and you're not joining in your family. That's not our family. That's not our family reunion. Other family reunion here. We're not the part of the family. That's why. We have our own family reunion, but in a different time, different date. Different month, different date, something like that. Okay. Just I watching it because my room is looking at them. So that's why. Working naman. Okay. Oh my God. Too much work. You need to kuhan, Kuya Dre. Vacation. Oh, vacation. Yes, you deserve the vacation. Thank you for 17 people likes. Thank you so much. Vermonts. Yes, the Vermonts. September. Thank you so much, 7 people in the house. For 17 likes. Kuya Dre, Jelmer give up on YT. I think so. He's give up because he's busy for Baby Jaila. Yeah, busy with something like that. Thank you so much, 5 people in the house. Thank you so much. 18 likes. Thank you for the 18 likes. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Oh, yes po. Because she needs to work. Yes, because she needs to work with Baby Jaila, with her baby, something like that, kuya. Difficult to having a baby and then doing something like doing YT, something like that. Okay, yes po. It's too loud here. It's too loud. Jollibee needs 1 million subscriber, yes. Jollibee needs 1 million subscriber. Sumulod ka na kay maturog na kita.
Ha?
Sumulod ka na.
Apa?
Kana na.
Pwede na yan?
Dere na, nakalive ako. Daddy Mike is still sleeping. Gab! Gabriel! Gab! Gabriel! Yung pauli ko na ikaw. Pauli ko na ikaw. Kumain ka pa. together. Mike Ward, I'm getting married, sir. Ano, Kuya Jay. And Sir Ted, it's just good friends between me and Mike, something like that. I love all those sons. What? Hi, Tobilon. Hi, Tobilon. Too loud here. Ano ang iyong Instagram ID? Why? Why you need to know my Instagram? Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Alex, why laughing? You can have my ID ba? Yes, thank you. Hi, Sandy, Sandy, this area. Too loud here. Wow. Gusto pa kitang makausap, gusto kitang maging kaibigan, kaya nga hindi gusto yung aming na mag-usap. Ganun ba? Sorry. Have you learned to ride the motor? Yes. I learned to ride the scooter. Yes. I am Hero. Hero line dancing song. Brom brom, yes, brom brom. I am Hero. Hero line dancing song. But she doesn't want to talk to you. I'm coming money, yes. Something like that. Thank you, girls. Zob of Jazz from Kuya Jay. Hi, Kuya Jay. Hi, from Jay. Trey from Jazz. Thank you so much. My white friend. Sana all look at that ring. Yes, beautiful ring. Kuya, what age, darling? I am 41. 41. Eastern, come. I'm 60. What? Thank you, Jess. Thank you so much, Jess. Thank you.
doing, Jeff? Mr. Mouth. Hi, Mr. Mouth. Mr. Mouth, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Good evening. Good evening, Mr. Mouth. Thank you so much, 7 people in the house. 24 likes. Thank you. Well, I'm not too good, but it's okay. Why? Why is too good? Why not too good? It's okay. It's fine. No worries. Calm down, chill. Because me, I'm not too good too, but nobody's perfect. Hi, Jeff, Kato. My stomach is upset with me. Oh, your stomach. Oh my god. What happened? You poisoned me? You ate something wrong? Hi, Jeff, Kato. Thank you for joining. Papangiti-ngiti yung naglalurking-lurking sa akin. Stop pa more. Hi, William. William Caron. Hi, bonjour. I drink spoiled milk. Bonjour. Hi, Amir Padilla. Padilla. Hi, Amir. Hi, graphic designer. Hello. Graphic designer. So loud here. So loud. Thank you so much. That made me very sick yesterday. Now I'm getting better. You need to take a medicine, Mr. Mouse. Take medicine. Go out here. Party outside. Who's party? Family reunion outside. Other family, but not our family. Someone has some family there. We have a family reunion. We're not part of their family. Hi, Bonnie 1312. Hi, Bonnie. Hi, Bonnie. subscribe everyone. Thank you, Mr. Mel. Thank you so much. Thank you. Be right back. Thank you so much, Mr. Mel. You love 60. Thank you. Dan Kitty. To eat a six today. Thank you. Samson was hi Samson. I like you Thank you so much for watching. Hi, Mom! Thank you sa likes. Thank you, Thank you so much. Dance pa mo, yes. Yes, pa. Thank you, Mom. Sa Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Thank you for doing work for me. Nicola, if I work, you can't afford it first. Because my work is cost worth $2,000. Thank you, Mom. GTV. Hi, Angel Valencia. Hello, Angel. good answer. I like Philippine girls. Oh, thank you. Putok. Where are you from, Putok? Hi, Putok. Hi, Delho. Where are you from? How old are you? I'm 41 years old. 41. Where are you from? Mississippi, USA. Ah, Delho, welcome to my channel. Nice to meet you. From Mississippi, USA. Papua New Guinea. Okay. Nice to meet you. Danky. Hello from Houston, Texas. Hi, you know. From Houston, Texas. Thank you so much. Oh my god. You know 3221? I don't know. Charo. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining the live. Thank you so much for joining the live. Can you give me your number? Why should I give you the number? No, no personal question. Just wake up. Okay. Good morning there in USA. Also, I like you. Hi, Roger Candelaria. Hi, Roger Candelaria. Thank you so much, Roger Candelaria. Huh? Yeah. Here. Roger. Yakika. Yakska. Here. Yeah. I'm getting married soon. Look. Dan Kitty getting married soon. I'm engaged. I'm not available. Boy, the Opal King. Thank you for joining, John Boy. The Opal King.